Hey everybody, it's Macallister Ultimate here, and that Ultimate, and you know he did the paper airplane announcement, and now we have this.
We have this. It is a paper airplane squadron. It takes 5 to 10 minutes per mini paper airplane. There are 20 of them, and we're just going to open up the box. There's some stickers. There's Galaxy ones, 20 different.
Oh, and there's like this like a military one.
Yeah, military one. So you won't be able to see it if you throw it in the grass. So.
No, if you use like the green, if you like use that one, because you definitely not see it, because grass is green and that is green.
Grass is green and that airplane is green, so don't throw those ones in the airplane. Grass. I don't know what that meant. Don't throw the green airplanes in the grass.
Good catch.
Good catch. Open it up, Macallister, and so we just got this box. These airplanes, not anything fancy. We just found it, thought it might be fun to put together.
Yep.
It is creativity for kids.
He surprised me with this.
I did surprise him with it. Oh, surprise! So,
there's just one thing in there, just one bag.
There's just one bag.
Bye-bye.
And so you can see there's stickers, some eyes.
Look.
Those eyes?
Yes, they're right.
Eyes, maybe some eagle wings, some
Hey, look.
flames, some numbers.
This is like some ground.
Ooh, some stars, gold stars.
Water.
Alright, so we have.
And
Let's go ahead and show them those.
and green and metal blue. And, oh, there's the military one.
Yeah, it's camouflage. It's also known as the military one.
And there's another one.
And another one. Ooh, be careful, everybody. Oh. Ooh.
Wait, this is a Spider-Man one. This is a Spider-Man one, everybody.
Spider-Man.
Dun, dun, dun.
Dun, dun, dun. Spidey.
Wait, there's another military.
And another military one.
This is totally good. You can't see it at all.
And if you have spiders, you want to be careful with this airplane because it attracts spiders.
And
And
look.
next thing you know, a spider is going to be the pilot of your paper airplane.
What's this? Dun dun dun, we're in the galaxy.
All right. So we have zebras and we have some titanium.
Tight.
This one is hot.
Tight.
Hot.
Not hot. Tiger.
Tigers. So all sorts of them. We have 20 different styles. Then the instructions give us for the paper airplane squadron. It says fold and fly your own airplanes. Use 20 papers to create 3 styles of airplanes. Stick on the details and give them a toss. Watch as they glide through the air. So in making paper airplanes, it's very important with the folding technique to line up your paper and the edges straight with very crisp folds.
I want this one.
Work carefully, folding, unfolding, and refolding your paper. When you see the dotted line, it means fold here.
What one? I don't know.
So there's a standard, a traditional, and one called the lion.
Wait, what? Wait, I think. Where is it?
So we're going to try to figure some of these out, and we will see you soon. We have just a couple minutes to make these before Macallister Ultimate goes to school, but we will be back after school.
And so you never surprise.
And so we'll make some more of these during the day, put some stickers on it, but so I am going to try to just make a real quick traditional airplane. All right.
Let's see. Wow.
That did fly pretty far.
And pretty fast.
And pretty fast. You trying to hit your dad? You know what this paper airplane needs more?
Eyes.
Eyes. I see what you did there.
Get it?
Get it? A couple more stickers and then
We have to go.
we have to go. School's important, learning's important.
Because we want to not know any Korean.
So Macallister wants you to know that he knows some Korean, and that's why he goes to school. He also is learning both English and Korean.
Do you want me to say a Korean word?
Say a Korean word.
가장시 가르데요.
What's that mean?
Can I go to the bathroom?
Yes.
I'm not going to the bathroom because I said finals.
Why don't you teach everybody right now, before we leave, how to say, I love you.
잘한해.
How to say dog.
가능.
How to say beultimate.
I don't learn that yet.
All right. Hey everybody, make sure and subscribe, like this video, be ultimate, and Couch is gonna go to school. We're gonna make some more airplanes, and we will be back in just a minute.
I hit him in the face.
You might get a detention for that one, son.
Hey everybody, it's Macallister Ultimate here, and that Ultimate, and we said we would be back.
We're back from school. I was in school today.
No, I was, cause he's a parent, and do parents be in school? No, cause they learned everything.
I learned everything, that's right. You heard it first. Dad Ultimate learned everything. Doesn't need any more school.
Nope, but me, cause I'm only in first grade.
Some learning left to do in life.
Yeah.
So we're gonna learn how to do some more airplanes. We seem to, what happened to our other one that we already made?
It's in the car.
It's in the car.
Cause you know we said after we wrapped up the video, we would go to school. It's in the car.
We'll get it here in a bit, but until then, we're gonna make some more videos. Not videos, we're gonna make some more airplanes, paper airplanes.
I reckon all of these.
We're gonna put some stickers on them, and we are gonna create a whole squadron of airplanes. So the key in making a good paper airplane is to make sure that you fold it well and it's nice and crisp, but you can really use any paper. Some paper, heavier paper. Tiny airplanes, big airplanes.
Yeah, because they think this is pretty funny, everybody.
You can use colorful paper like this. You can use plain paper. All right. We'll keep building. You keep watching, subscribe, hit that like button, tell all your friends, tell all your family, buy the beultimate hoodies,
Yeah,
t-shirts.
This is the time which we didn't know what color we should do.
That's right. It's
And that one.
It's Macallister. It's a one-of-a-kind Macallister Ultimate glow-in-the-dark hoodie. So it's a paper airplane squadron, creativity for kids. It's a 20-pack of paper airplanes with some instructions. It's pretty small, mini airplanes.
Yeah.
Takes a couple minutes to put together.
5 or 10
It
minutes.
says 5 to 10 minutes per plane. Probably not per plane, but
Because it took us for a while.
you had school. That took a while. And then some stickers come with it, so it's a fun little pack. You know, you can really make paper airplanes out of any paper, and crayons, markers. You don't have to have special designs, but we happen to have some. So It's a great indoor project on rainy days, wintertime. So it's kind of what we're doing. We're gonna have a contest to see
who can get the airplanes more in the box.
So we're gonna try to fly them into a box.
That's kind of funny.
We'll see what happens.
The paper airplanes might go everywhere.
They might go everywhere. All right, be ultimate, subscribe, hit that like button, and we're gonna fly some airplanes into the box.
Yep, if we can.
If we can. I believe in you, Macallister. I believe in you.
I don't believe in you, Dad. So this is the tiger. And let's see. It kind of looks like a military, but actually it's not. Let's go do it. Let's go do it with 3 fingers. Let's go. I have 10 more left, and I'm going to see if I can make it. And good luck for me. Bye bye. Bye bye, ground. 7. 10. 9.
All right, it's going in the box. 3, 2, 1. It's got a star, a couple stars.
It's like bulky.
It's bulky. So 3, 2, 1. Oh!
Oh!
So we just wrapped up making 20 little mini planes. Probably not going to enter them into the first ever annual Paper Airplane Ultimate Competition Tournament of Champions Bash of Titans Ultimate Competition Tournament Paper Airplane Champions Ultimate.
Can you finish that sentence?
Best ever.
Just finish.
Clash.
Bash. Airplanes.
Done.
Done.
Probably not gonna ever enter any of these into.
Yeah, because they saw how far they went.
They flew not so far.
Yeah, and they went, like, you saw me try to get one in, but all of them were like,
Don't eat airplanes. Don't eat paper airplanes. Be ultimate. Subscribe. Hit that like button. It's fun indoor activity. Easy cleanup.
Wait. Go.
Ow!
Wait.
Thanks for watching. See you next time. Keep being ultimate. Dab out.